In this video, we take a look at the Afrikaans word donker. Donker, that is the word for dark. Donker van kleur. Donker van kleur. That is what we say when somebody or something is of a dark color. Die kat in die donker knyp. Die kat in die donker knyp. That is an Afrikaans saying. That means to do things on the sly, to do things in secret, and often those things are romantic in nature. Donkerbril, donkerbril, dark glasses. Dit lyk maar donker. Dit lyk maar donker. Now it can refer to the physical, it's literally looking dark, but we use it also to say things are looking gloomy or things are looking dark. Dit word donker. Dit word donker. You can also say dit is besig om donker te word. And that means it is getting dark. Donkergroen, donkerblauw, donkerrooi, donkerpink. Those are some of the dark colors. So if you want to refer to a color, that is its dark version. It is donker and then the color. Donkerkop, donkerkop. Someone with dark hair. Donkermaan, donkermaan. It refers to the dark of the moon. Donkerte, donkerte, darkness. Donkervellig, donkervellig, dark-skinned. Donkey, donkey, donkey.